Today on Ballistic BBQ, I'm going to be making for you the ultimate backyard bacon cheeseburger. Let's get going. So this is my third season working with Exmark on their Backyard Life campaign. Exmark makes some really nice riding lawnmowers, and they are huge advocates of everything outdoors. If you want to check out the link below, you'll find articles and videos on everything from hunting, fishing, do-it-yourself, landscaping, hardscaping, great stuff, and I'm doing all the cooking. Let's get started with this burger. We're going to kick it off with a sauce, and I have here some mayo. The entire recipe will be listed below, by the way. Some English style mustard. And this stuff has a little bit of heat. I love English mustard. This burger is going to have layers. You're going to see layers upon layers of just textures and a little bit of heat. It's going to be amazing. Some old style mustard. This is the type that has all the seeds in there. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. Just want a little bit more acid, kind of brighten it up. And some liquid smoke. Just a little bit. Give this a mix. There we have it. Good. Now, one of the things I mentioned are textures, and this burger is going to have kind of like a haystack of fried onions and also some chili peppers. I have here an Anaheim pepper. Now this pepper is really popular out here for making chili rellenos. It's got some heat, but it's not crazy over the top heat. And then here a yellow chili pepper, more on the mild side. Wear a glove when you're dealing with chilies. You'll thank me for that advice later. Now I'm going to peel the skin off this. The reason why is I want it to be kind of a wet surface when I bread these. We're going to bread them like in an onion ring kind of a breading. You can burn off the skin if you want, but I didn't want to do that because it really softens up the flesh of the pepper. So I wanted to keep it kind of firm. We'll pull out the seeds and the pith here. Now I'm going to strip up these peppers, julienne style, I guess. I have here 2 slices of bacon. Cut these in half. And slice these into strips. So right here I have equal amounts of all-purpose flour, cornstarch, little salt, little pepper, little paprika. Give this a good shake. And into the flour everything goes. Get everything breaded. And if I hadn't removed the skin from those peppers, the flour wouldn't adhere, so that's the reason I did it. I just, again, wanted that kind of wet surface. Now I'm going to add some thinly sliced onions. Just toss in here. Same thing with the onions. You know, they're freshly sliced, so they sweat. It provides a nice amount of liquid to let that breading adhere. All right, let's get these fried. I have hot peanut oil here. Just want to make sure I get a little bit of everything. I'm going in with the bacon first. Some onions and some of those chilies. All right, these are looking good. And now for the patty, the most important part of a hamburger. I have here 6.5 ounces of 80/20 ground beef. Just got it in a burger ring here, and I'm just going to press it down to fill the ring. I don't want to use too much pressure though. I don't want this overly packed. That's when you'll end up having those swollen, like softball burger patties. There we go. That off. A little kosher salt. We're ready to cook, finally. So I'm using a flat top griddle today, and I have 2 of these burners turned on, then the last 2 are off, and that'll be a warming station if I need it. Got patty down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a firm press, but I'm not going to smash it. The reason I did that is it's going to help bond that burger patty to the griddle. And the griddle, by the way, is on a medium high. A little bit more kosher salt. Going with a nice soft brioche bun. This right here to start the toast, where it's not ridiculously hot. Move the buns over to the hotter side now. Finish the toast off. Look. There we are. I just push the buns off to the side where the burners are not on to keep them warm. All right, it's time to give this a flip. This is what we're looking for. We want this to be stuck to the flat top. Oh, look at that. Burger's approaching doneness. So I'm going to go ahead and start dressing the buns. I'm going to hit the bottom bun here with some shredded iceberg lettuce. I just love the texture of shredded iceberg, and it also provides a little coolness. It'll balance off the heat from the chili peppers very well. Now for the patty, I have some pepper jack cheese and some sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to go ahead and dome this. It's done. Burger patty down. Look at that thing steaming away. You know, I think on a burger like this, pickle chips, dill pickle chips are important. Again, I like that acidy pop. Get some of those crispy bacon strips, those chili peppers, onions, secret sauce. And crown this beauty. I present the ultimate Backyard Bacon Cheeseburger. Let's try this out. Check that out. It smells so good, and I'm smelling this brioche. I can smell the chili peppers and that beef. So crispy. Juicy as all get out. Very, very happy with this burger. This is exactly what I wanted. Layers upon layers of texture, layers upon layers of flavors. I mean, it's all over the place in a good way. It's not like a confusing burger. It all makes sense. Patty that had such a beautiful crust. Love it. Love it. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscription button, ring the notification bell, and thumb it up if you like it. Make sure you share this video and check out the link down below for Exmark's Backyard Life campaign. I will see you on the next video. Cheers.